You know, every time I take a step with my legs, as I'm lucky enough to have legs and be able to walk, every time I take a step, my quadriceps are squeezing. You know, the quadriceps are the muscles on my thighs. And every time my quadriceps squeeze, they're actually squeezing the veins in a way and pushing the blood up towards the heart. Now, what is that significant for? Well, it means that every time you walk, now here I'm in nature and I'm walking uphill, downhill, and that's really nice too, but even walking in the street, walking in the city, anytime you walk and you're using your legs, you're squeezing the muscles of your thighs, your quadriceps, your calves, gastrocnemius. See, these are these muscles that when they squeeze, blood is being pushed back up to your heart. That means that every time you walk, you're helping your circulatory system. Every time you walk, you're helping your circulatory system. So, is there anything more valuable than walking? I don't think so. You know, all exercise is good. Do as much as you can. And if you're not doing other types of vigorous exercise, make sure you're going out and taking a walk. 10-minute walk, a 20-minute walk, a 30-minute walk. Just get out and keep walking, because the more you walk, the better your circulation is going to be, the better your immune system is going to be, the better your lymphatic system is going to be, the better you're just going to function. So get out and exercise, get some fresh air, or do it on a treadmill, do whatever you can, but just get moving.